All right, let's get started. Click on account. It will take us to the account screen. Here, let's search for the account. We are working with Redline hosting. Search with Redline. Here's our account. Let's continue. Click on the account. Let's look at the account attributes, signals, activities, contacts, leads, opportunities, codes, orders. Everything is listed over here. It's complete 360-degree view of account. Let's create an opportunity. I'm going to call it end-to-end test opportunity. All right. Let's go ahead and create the opportunity. Okay. Now we have created the opportunity. Let's check the opportunity. There's nothing in here. It's empty, blank, no products, no codes. Now let's create a code. All right. So from opportunities or from sales, we now are in CPQ. All right. Let's quickly save the code. Let's get account details. All right. Let's save. Okay. Let's get the account details one more time. Okay. Let's add products. There's a new search functionality. I'm going to search for the product. Okay. Oracle TV. This is the BOM type of product, which actually has three parts. We call them kit. BOM with the fixed structure. All right. Let's review the setup. Okay. Perfect. Let's save it. All right. I'm going to submit it now. Okay, updated change. So the product will be synced back to the opportunity. Pretty cool. Running integration. Let's submit it. Now it's submitted. Status is approved. Awesome. Okay, let's create an order. Perfect. Now let's go and check out the order tab. Let's see the order number. Perfect. So now we have the order number. The next step, let's return to sales. Now we're going to jump back to the opportunity from where we came to CPQ. And on the opportunity, we're going to click on the account name, go to the account. Let's go to the opportunity order card and then see that the order number that we have copied. Look at this 95. That's the order that we have created. Perfect. Let's click on the order number. We are now in order management. Okay. Let's go ahead and click on action. Click on switch to fulfillment view. Perfect. Now here, switch to fulfillment lines and click on orchestration process number. Nice. Let's look at the orchestration. It's all done. Perfect. Let's go back. All right, copy the order number. Okay, let's go back. Okay, now we are signing out from CM and logging into subscription management. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and go into subscription management. Perfect. Okay, let's reprocess the order. Perfect. We're gonna submit this. In real world, this is automated, so you don't have to worry about it. Copy the process ID. Perfect. Let's just quickly refresh this. It takes some time. Submits a job or process that will execute and then convert this order into its own subscription and will do everything. All right, this is done. So now we have the subscription number. Let's go ahead and go back to where we came from and then search using the subscription number. All right, here is the subscription. Perfect, created for the customer. Perfect, it has all the details, summary, parties, team renewal controls. All this stuff is available for the subscription. All right, let's click on the name of the product. And then from here, we actually can look at all the subscription details like summary, pricing, billing, summary, relationships, coverage, credits, audit, entitlement plot, and a lot more. That's perfect.